Fine. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, which class is this?
This is 2E, my dear.
I am in 2B.
Okay. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes. Are you all ready for today's class? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, last class we had started our workbook exercises, right?
Yes.
So, are you all ready with the workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Please open your workbook, page number 32. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Andrea.
Part one. In my mother's home.
Okay. So, please write the answers in the rough book.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, now you're writing in notebook.
No. Just that I told to Andrea. Okay. So,
Ma'am.
please take your notebook. Sorry.
Part
Workbook part 1, workbook exercises we are going to do. And in the last class, we had completed 15 questions, right? So, let me share this board.
Workbook part one.
Part 1, my dear.
Ma'am, workbook or textbook?
Workbook. Okay. So, this page number 32. So, we completed 15 questions, right? Afrin, please unmute. Afrin, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes, how many questions we completed?
Yes, ma'am.
How many questions we completed?
One question.
15 questions, no?
15.
15 questions. Okay, so please read Afrin, question number 16.
There are
Hmm?
426
Hmm?
in
Sticks. Hmm?
one box
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
256
Hmm.
stick
Hmm.
in out there
In another box.
another box.
Hmm.
How many
Hmm.
fewer
Fewer
sticks
sticks does the second box have?
the
Second box have. Okay. So all of you read the question once again. There are 420 sticks in one box and 256 sticks in another box. So how many fewer sticks does the second box have? So in the second box, compared to the first box, the number is less. So what we have to find out here?
Number of one box.
We have to find out how many less in the second box. How many less sticks are there in the second box? So for that, we have to write the steps, isn't it? Yes, Afrin? Yes. So how to write the first step?
Number of
what? It is telling about sticks, isn't it? So we have to write number of sticks in the first box. We can write the first box. Okay. So all of you please start writing. The first step is number of. Please write.
One box.
Number of sticks in the first box. Number of sticks in the first box.
420.
420. Okay, very good, Afrin. Thank you. Then Abel Saju, unmute.
Ma'am, which book?
This is our Max workbook, part 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Sahasra, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed the first step?
I don't have the Max book part one. I only got the 2.
Part 1 Max workbook.
the shop.
Ah,
So
okay,
I
okay.
don't
Okay. I understood. Yes. Ishan Krishna, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Can you please tell me the second step here?
Number of
Number of sticks.
sticks
Hmm.
second box have.
Yes, very good. Number of sticks. All of you please write number of sticks. In the second box. How many are there, Ishan? How many sticks are there in the second box? 256. Okay. 256. Then we have to write the third step. How to write the third step? But we have to find out here the difference, isn't it? So we can write the difference in the number of sticks. We can write the third step as the difference in the number of sticks. The difference in the number of sticks. And how to find out the difference? What we have to do? What we have to do for finding the difference? We need to add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract, yes. We have to do the subtraction. Which are the numbers we have to subtract here?
420 minus 256.
Yes, so we can subtract here 420 minus 256.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have joined now because of the network issue.
Okay. Please take Max workbook part 1, Samanyaya.
Part 1.
Yes.
Okay, I have taken part 2.
Okay, please take it part 1. Okay, then all of you please subtract this. How to subtract? Arrange the numbers in the place value order. All of you please arrange 420 minus 256. Please arrange the numbers, then only we can do the subtraction. Yes? So please arrange the numbers properly.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 32. And check the ones place numbers. Check the ones place numbers. It is 0 and 6. Can we subtract 0 minus 6? Is it possible? Yes or no? From 0, can you subtract 6?
No.
No. So here what we have to do? If you cannot subtract, we have to regroup it. Yes? Very good. So which number is going to share?
2.
2. So we have to cut the number 2. Then 2 will become which number? From 2, 1 is going. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Then what happened to the 0? 0 will become
10.
10. Very good. Now we can subtract 10 minus 6. Please subtract 10 minus 6.
Which page?
Page number 32.
Ma'am,
10.
today there's 4.
No. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay. Then all of you check here in the tens place. Again, we will be stuck for some time because tens place the numbers are again 1 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract 1 minus 5? No. So here again we have to regroup. Okay. Again we have to regroup. So the number, which number is going to share here? The number 4. In the hundreds place, 4 will share. So 4 will become which number? Again, we have to cut the number 4 and it will become 3. Yes. And what happened to this 1? This 1 also we have to cut. 1 will become 11. Yes. 1 will become 11. Okay. Now we can subtract 11 minus 5. Please subtract 11 minus 5. 6 finger. Yes. 6. And that hundreds place 3 minus 2 is? 1. So we got the answer 164.
Is equal to 1.
Okay.
164.
64.
Ma'am, today test.
No test, my dear, today. I will inform you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So please do it fast, everyone. The 16th question. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Do it.
164. Ma'am, come.
Now those who are completed, please be silent.
164 is the answer.
Abel Sijo, are you writing? Abel? What are you doing there? Abel? Yes, do it fast.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay.
Completed.
Completed. Okay, very good. So those who are completed, please read the next question. No need to unmute. You read by yourself. Please read the next question. Yes.
Sarah, come now.
Sarah joined late only.
Yes.
Okay. So you understood which book you have to take?
No.
No. This is Maths Workbook Part 1. Page number 32. Okay. Then next question. A tailor had 854 dresses to stitch, out of which he stitched 243 dresses. How many dresses remain to be stitched? Have you all read the question? Yes or no? A tailor had 854 dresses to stitch, out of which he stitched only 243 dresses. How many dresses remain to be stitched? So remain, you can see the word, the clue word it is given, it is remain. So what do you have to do there?
Subtract.
Subtract. Yes, that is subtraction. So how can we write this step?
Number of dresses tailor have to stitch.
Yes, the first step I'm going to write. All of you, please start writing. Number of dresses to be stitched. Okay, to be stitched. Shall I rub this one? The first 16th question answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all completed?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Okay, to be completed.
Send the notes.
So please write it.
The workbooks access.
I'll send. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't.
Completing this, I will send it. Number of dresses to be stitched. How many? 854. The first step. Number of dresses to be, sorry, not completed, it is stitched.
Number of dresses. Number of to be
stitched. Oh, yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Equal to 854.
Ma'am, I can't see you.
Maybe the network issue, my dear. That's why.
No, ma'am.
That's 40, 54. 54 minus 243.
Okay. The first step is number of dresses to be stitched. Then the next step. How to write the next step? How many dresses he already stitched? 243. So the second step is number of dresses stitched. Number of dresses
Plus 6.
stitched
Here is 1.
equal to 256.
And somebody's voice are disturbing.
Please mute your device, everyone. For writing, no need to unmute. Number of dresses stitched equal to how many stitch? Yes, 243 it is. 243. Smriti, are you writing? Yes,
I have completed.
completed. Okay.
DRES. Ma'am, there are 2 in dresses.
Yes,
Ma'am, there are 2 in dresses.
there are.
Ma'am, first
സ്റ്റിച്ചഡ് ആണ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഡ്രസ്സസ് സ്റ്റിച്ചഡ് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് എഴുതി
Number of dress. DRESS. ES. Okay, okay. Here, 1, 2, 2 is there. Please mute your device, everyone. Please mute your device.
Ma'am, somebody's are chatting. Ma'am, someone is chatting.
Who is chatting? I disabled chatting. No. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear. Number of dresses. Yes. Okay.
ma'am, she was chatting.
Now I disabled chatting. Okay. Please complete your answer.
Ma'am, I finished.
Then try to write the third step. What will be the third step?
Number of dresses remaining to stitch.
Yes. Yes. Number of dresses
Ma'am, the
to
next,
be stitched.
ma'am, the next page has space.
Next page, you can take the next page. So shall I take the next page? Is it over, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay, okay. Do it
No,
fast.
ma'am.
Do it fast.
My Nika is crying.
Those who finish, you can complete the third step. You can write in the next page. The number, the third step is number of dresses to be stitched.
Ma'am, I have place here to write.
But in the next page also some space is there. Then you can write it easily.
Okay, ma'am, I have write it in the second line.
Hmm. Shall I rub it?
No, ma'am. No,
No.
no, ma'am.
Completed? Yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why you are very slow in writing?
Completed,
Huh?
ma'am.
Amma very slow in
Not
writing.
complete. Completed, ma'am. No completed.
Not
Next
completed.
complete.
Okay. Those who completed, please be
Summer
silent.
join late.
That is the problem.
Some has network issue.
If those who are having network issue, they cannot join the correct time. No.
Ma'am, January 3, the school will open.
Yes.
Ma'am, January 3 is open? January 3rd.
Hmm?
January. Ma'am, January 3rd. January 1 or January 3, the school open.
January 3. You are ready to know?
Yes. Yeah, I am so happy.
Yes. I am also.
I like the school.
Yes. We all are waiting to open school,
I
right?
love online classes. I like to. Ma'am,
Okay. So let me move to the next page.
I love to go to school. Love to go to school.
So the third step I'm going to write here, please. The third step is the number of dresses to be stitched.
not completed.
It's okay. I will send in the group. Okay. So that time you please. Now you write this one. The number of dresses to be stitched. To be stitched. Equal to, we need to subtract 854 minus 243. And all of you do it. Arrange the numbers, hundreds, tens, and ones. 854 minus 243.
The ants. The ants. How we can add the numbers in the rough book.
Yes, if there is no space, you can take your rough book and subtract the numbers.
Okay, ma'am. Then only the answer you have to.
Okay, answer only you can write there.
Oh.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, what is the answer?
611.
611. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. So answer is 611. Correct answer.
Yay.
Then, after those who finish, please read the next question.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, please read the next question.
In the workbook where we have to write the answer.
Answer you try to write in that line itself.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have space in that line.
Then you can write there.
I have space in the next page.
Okay, please read the next one. There were 123 ants in an anthill. 112 ants went out in search of food. How many ants were remaining in the anthill? What is this anthill? Do you know what is anthill?
Ants house.
Where the ants are living. Like our home. So there were 123.
It's like a
And
small
hill.
mountain.
Yes, yes. So how to write
May
the
I
steps?
go to washroom?
Easy to write the steps.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, yes. Go fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Abel.
Some water.
Okay.
Can you show the 16th question first shape?
Which
No.
one?
17th question first step?
17th question.
Yeah.
Please write fast, Afia.
Okay.
So all of you, please start writing the first step. There were 123 ants in an anthill. 112 ants went out in search of food. How many ants were remaining in the anthill? So what will be the first step? Number of? Next one is number of ants.
Ma'am, 11.
Number of ants in an anthill. That is the first.
17th one.
Yes, I will show after writing this. First you write this one. Okay. Number of ants in the anthill equal to 123. Is Anthony Shan present? Anthony Shan? Anthony Shan, then Ashil K. Saji? Present or not? Ashil K. Saji. Is Prithvi present? Prithvi?
I'm Veda Fini.
Okay. Rafan Muhammad? Rafan is present or not? Rafan? Then Ryan Adril? Ryan Adril? So I will read today's absentees. Today's absentees are Anmir Regal, Anthony Shan, Ashil K. Saji, Prithvi K. Manoj, Rafan Muhammad, Ryan Adril. These are the absentees. All the others are present. Okay, the next step. Number of ants in the anthill equal to 123. Then the next step. Who can tell the next step?
Number of fans remaining.
Okay. The next step is number of ants that went in search of food. That went in search of food. Equal to 112. Okay, Devananda, have you completed?
Yes.
Yes. Second step also?
Yes.
Okay. What about Devadarsh?
No.
No. Daksha Deepak? Finished?
Finished.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
No. And Catherine? Can you tell the third step? Hmm? Down right here. Hmm? And Catherine, can you tell me the third step? What we have to find out here, how many ants were remaining in the anthill? So what will be the third step? We can start with number of number of ants remaining in the anthill. Please write. Number of ants remaining
N-U-M-B-R number.
in the anthill.
B-E-R number. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Equal to, we have to subtract 123 minus.
Completed.
Okay. Yes, so arrange the numbers. Hundreds, tens, and ones.
Equal to 0.
Yes, right?
2 minus 1 is equal to. Answer, we can't see the answer.
You can't see the answer. What happened?
Ma'am, 11.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
when someone say the answer, we can't write the answer.
Okay, you please write it. From this ones place, 3 minus 2 is 1. Tens place, 2 minus 1 is 1. And hundreds place, 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer is 11.
Ma'am, Anna will tell the next question.
Number of.
Ma'am, Anna will read the next question.
Okay, first you complete it.
Number
No time to do the next question. So we will continue
of. Number of.
class. So
And
complete it fast.
and remaining.
The balance questions are very simple to do. Simple questions only.
Ma'am, Anna will tell the next question. And I
But we
complete
are not
it.
doing it today. Okay, we will continue it in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
So all of you please complete it. 18th question answer. Please do it fast. Have you all completed?
Ma'am, completed.
Max given India full complete.
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed. Okay. So today, let me wind up the class. Okay, children.
I did not complete.
Not completed. Okay, I'll send it in the group. Okay, so that time you please copy. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
See you in the next class.
When?